I'll talk for just a moment, and then we're going to get ready to have our praise and worship service this morning. And I'm happy to be here today. Just to thank y'all for another opportunity to be in the assembly today. And often sometimes I think about I was at some work one time, and I heard a young child say, "Mama, I hear the train coming." And I think sometime in life, that's what we say, we hear the train, we hear something coming. There was all those people around, and he could hear it, just the uniqueness of it. And sometime in life, we hear the train coming. We hear the times and the change happening in the world today. Hallelujah. And just thank y'all for the opportunity to stand here today, because I sit back and I think about all the great men who stood behind this podium today. Hallelujah. And I was going back through my mind just to think of all the people. I didn't want to name too many, but I know there's a number of them that stood right behind this podium right here. Thank y'all for that and for the opportunity to be here today. I don't take it lightly. And also, we're going to get ready to go into praise and worship today, but I thank Yahweh for what nature teaches us. You know, you can learn a lot by watching nature. Sometimes I'm out different places and I watch the geese, the way the geese act. And sometimes you got that geese that's in charge. The other day he'll start calling. He'll start calling, flapping his wings, and the other ones in the back start calling and moving around. And he'll do that for a while. And then if he see they ain't ready, he'll wait a little while. Then he'll think they're about ready, then he'll start up and stick his neck way up. And then he'll see some flapping and moving back, flapping and moving them back. And then when you think they're ready, they take off. They take off. And so, to me, it's just a learning experience. What we learn from nature so many times. You see that lead geese, that one that's in charge, the other be eating, but when you get too close, his head will come up and he'll start looking. He's going to make sure you keep on going with what you're doing, but he stopped eating. He's watching out for the geese. He's watching out for the other ones. He's in charge. So we had that sometime in life. We had that watchman who's looking. And he see something happening, he's going to let you know. He's going to try and let you know ahead of time. So he's going to see something that doesn't look right. He'll come up and start looking around. Just like you see them geese do. And it's just amazing to me to watch the way they act. And we can learn a lot from nature. Just take the time sometimes to look at nature. Even a dog or a cat, sometimes they're doing stuff and you say, well, why are they doing that? You look a little while longer, and then you can figure out why, see why they're doing it. So I just thank Yahweh for that, and also for the passion that we have here. Those that have the passion for the word and learning the word. Sometimes things happen in our life and you say, well, why did this happen? Why is Yahweh so favorable? But as I read through the scripture, sometimes it's because of his servant. If you're working with Yahweh's servant, sometimes favor will come on you. Some things will happen for you. He'll hear you sometimes just because his servant's involved in the situation. So with that being said, we all got something to praise Yahweh for today. Always look at the positive side of things. See the glass is half full, not half empty. Keep on going, keep on pushing forward, keep on working, keep on doing your best. Hallelujah. And we're going to get ready this morning to be led in our praise and worship today by Pastor Woodbury and Sister Margaret. Let us all stand. Yahshua, you are more precious than silver. Yahshua, you are
Compared you are.
Yahshua, you are.
More precious.
More precious than silver.
Yahshua.
Yahshua, you are.
More costly.
More costly than gold.
Yahshua.
Yahshua, you are.
More beautiful.
More beautiful than diamonds.
And nothing.
Nothing I desire. Nothing I desire. Oh no, nothing I desire compares to you.
One more time, Yahshua.
Yahshua, you are.
More precious.
More precious than silver. Yahshua, you are. More costly than gold. Yahshua, you are. More beautiful than diamonds. Nothing I desire compares to you. Oh, nothing I desire. Oh no, nothing I desire. Nothing I desire compares to you.
I love you.
Love you, I love you,
I love you.
I love you, God, today, because you care for me in such a special way. And yes, I praise you, I lift you up, I magnify your name. That's why my heart is filled with praise.
My mind, my heart.
My mind,
Thank you, Father.
my heart,
My soul.
my soul belongs to you.
You paid
You paid the price for me
way back.
way back on Calvary. Yes, I praise you.
I lift you up.
I lift you up, I magnify your name. That's why my heart is filled with praise. Yes, that's why my heart is filled with praise.
Through it all. I learned. I learned. Father, we thank you for this another day. This is the day you made. We're going to rejoice and be glad. We bless your name. We thank you, Father, early rise this morning, last night's sleep. And for the blood still running warm in our veins. Thank you for this opportunity, Yahweh. You've allowed for us to come together and dissemble one more time. You said where two or three are gathered, is that you be in the mix. We're touching and agreeing. Thank you for sending your son down. I thank you for the mountain. I thank you for the valley. Thank you for all he's brought me through. If I had a brother, I knew y'all could something. And in his word, it can be true. Through it all, this time to praise you. It's time to praise you. Thank you, Father. Thank you, Father. Thank you, thank you. You've been so good. Hallelujah. I've learned
to depend upon His word.
yes, we have. There is none like you, Father. There is none like you. No one else can touch me like you do. How many got something to praise Him for right now? That's why we can say thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. What you gonna say? Somebody say you've been so good. Yes, you have. This is your time to thank Him, beloved. Just give Him praise right now. Thank you, Father. Thank you, Father. We bless your name right now. Hallelujah. Yahweh, you're so good. We come to you right now. We enter your gates and your courts with thanksgiving and with praise. Yahweh, you're worthy. There's none like you. Doors you open, ways you made. If we had 10,000 tongues. Thank you for sending your healing virtue by. Thank you for looking down on us this week. Thank you for making ways out of no ways. Hallelujah. Oh, Yahweh, we thank you for the joy that you give. Hallelujah. in all your ways. Hallelujah. Bless your name. Bless your name. Bless your name. Bless your name. Truth. You're the way. You're the life. We bless your name. We bless your name. We bless your name. You've been so, oh, you've been so good. You've been so, oh, you've been so good. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you. Oh, thank you.
Word of Yah speak, would you pour down like rain, washing our eyes to see your majesty, to be still and know that you